Well, I want to thank you all very much. This is great. These are our friends. We have thousands of friends on this incredible movement. This was a movement like nobody's ever seen before. And frankly, this was, I believe, the greatest political movement of all time. There's never been anything like this in this country, and maybe beyond. And now it's going to reach a new level of importance because we're going to help our country heal. We're going to help our country heal. We have a country that needs help, and it needs help very badly. We're going to fix our borders. We're going to fix everything about our country. And we made history for a reason tonight, and the reason is going to be just that. We overcame obstacles that nobody thought possible, and it is now clear that we've achieved the most incredible political thing. Look what happened. Is this crazy?
Speaking this morning, Trump thanked voters of America for their support in this tightly fought election to the White House. Addressing his supporters at Palm Beach County Convention Center in West Palm Beach, Florida, Trump said, "This will truly be the golden age of America. It will make America great again. There was no other path to victory. We will make you proud of your vote." Trump said America has given us an unprecedented and powerful mandate. The Republicans have also taken back the control of the Senate. "The number of victories in the Senate is incredible. You'll have great senators, and it looks like we will be keeping the control at the House of Representatives too," Trump said.